Hi there, tonight's meal we're going to make some pecan crusted trout. We're going to have some fresh steamed broccoli and cauliflower, and I bought some creamed spinach already made up. I went ahead and did that because they had my trout on sale, 2 pieces for $10. You can see that, but since that was on sale, I said, what the heck, let's buy some already made creamed spinach. So I already have my air fryer ready. In my air fryer, I know that this cooks in about 7 to 8 minutes. So I got that ready. I'm going to add my little liner. This is what it looks like. If you Fresh Market has it already made up, but it's pretty much 50% panko breadcrumbs and pecans that are ground up nice and small. So these do have a little bit of skin on the bottom, but once the fish cools a little bit, it's pretty easy to peel that off. Or you can just eat the fish and leave the skin. Separates very easily, very nutritious, has about 35 to 40 grams of protein. We're going to put this is a different type of microwave steamer that I'm using, because the other one is in the dishwasher. Same thing, I put a little bit of water on the bottom. Put these suckers over. Put this in the microwave for 4 minutes. The spinach is already warm. This is cooking for 7 minutes. And it's a pretty quick and easy dinner. Sometimes I'll steam some spinach, but I don't really like making the cream spinach. A lot of extra work, a lot of time, and I can buy it already made up. I'll do that. And there you have it. Very nutritious, very quick, easy dinner in 10 minutes. Like I said, if you can't get it already made up, you just take some ground up pecans, some panko, dip the fish in a little bit of egg to coat it, put it in there. Same thing, like I said, they just already have it made up, so it makes it nice and simple, quick, and you can get it for 2 pieces for $10. Yeah, can't beat that. So that's our dinner for tonight. Have a good night.